In this video, I'm going to show you how I used Edgeful to make money trading the NASDAQ on Friday. It's been a nice bounce back. I've been feeling a lot more in the groove. And yeah, let me show you how I used Edgeful. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's go to NASDAQ over here, NAS 100. I trade it as a CFD contract, so I just like looking at it. But you can look at it any time that you want. You know, you can look at the futures contract as well. I use the CFD as mentioned. But let's go to the opening candle continuation report. And as you can see, let's go to you got to make sure, this is important, guys. You got to make sure that this correct time here. We want to measure the first hour from 9:30 a.m. Eastern time to 10:30. And as you can see let's go to the last 3 months. Andre was mentioning that he wants more relevant data. Let's go to the last 3 months. And you can actually see, as we wait for this to load now. Okay, let's let it load. But yeah, here was my P&L from Friday across my prop firm accounts. There we go. As you can see, Friday, the 21st of March. So, and we're going to go to the chart in a bit as well. But let's go over this over here. You can see in the last 3 months, if that first hour is bullish, 89.29% of the time we close as a bullish closing day. You can customize that too. You can change it to 30 minutes, whatever you would like. But let's go to week by weekday. You can also go by weekday, which is something that obviously I enjoy because then each day could be different. Maybe a Mondays are typically more bullish than Tuesdays or Fridays, whatever it is. And as we let this load, so you got to take it. These sub reports. I really do enjoy looking at these sub reports. While we let that load as well, let's just go. We got some news coming out this morning, but markets are moving higher into the Monday. Let's just go over the report. As you can see from the New York Open, which would be 3:30 South African time. You guys know I'm in South Africa. So over here, okay, we never actually break these lows. So with that first hour being bullish from 3:30 to 4:30, we can look for longs rest of the day. I caught this little pop here, but we actually do get longs to finish the day as well. I caught the little pop over there on stream. You can see actually on Mondays, in the last 3 months, if the first hour was bullish, 100% of the time we close as a bullish closing day. Fridays, however, 85% of the time. But look at opposite for the bearish closing days. So how you can use this report is simple. If the first hour is bullish, you want to be favoring the longs. If the first hour is bearish, you want to be favoring the shorts. That's a simple way to use this report with Edgeful. And that's how I managed to get it. So basically, okay, trade recap again, just keeping it simple. So, how we saw this was this first hour, okay, this first hour was bullish. The open was here, and the close for the first hour was up here, okay? First hour bullish, look for longs for the rest of the day. And I got this little pop over there. And then I was off the desk. You know, I don't want to be sitting on the desk all day, every day. So you could have caught this maybe later on in the afternoon. But that opening candle continuation report with Edgeful is super clean, super simple to help you make better trading decisions. And that's the trade recap from our Friday. So I hope this helps. Reach out to me. Go check Edgeful out in the link in my bio. And I'm live on Wednesday through to Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern time, doing pre-market prep with them. So make sure to join me there as well. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.